order to create one, standardization, and two, capacity at industry level. UNCDF is partnering with Gates Foundation to create that capacity in the industry level for financial institutions to better manage agents and have the capacity to conduct the service in an ongoing manner. Not just only that financial institution will be supported in expanding their services, but also will be a dashboard will be created which is going to give visibility on how financial institutions agents are performing and how they are managing their distribution network in order to expand the different use cases they may come up with in this digital era of financial services. Therefore, it is expected that financial institution and even including the regulatory body will make a use of such dashboards to make an informed decision to distribute and deliver financial services in Ethiopia.
Within the Inclusive Digital Economies program, we support the advancement of key digital skills and literacy to engage in the digital economy, invest in innovations and infrastructure for the digital economy, as well as influence key policy and regulatory frameworks. The Cash In, Cash Out, or CICO project, this is a partnership that cuts across the different disciplines that the UNCDF is engaged in throughout Ethiopia. CICO project, we aspire, will help enable these various disciplines by creating synergetic implementation for access to cash and financial services throughout the community in Ethiopia.
CICO is actually planning on doing a lot of foundational work, especially when it comes to the area of data collection, with a central focus even on gender. I think that really valuable source for our advocacy work that we're doing at the Women's Digital Financial Inclusion Hub. These studies and data will affect us, especially working with the gender lens, is to actually catapult and focus and make some foundational changes when it comes to women's digital financial inclusion within Ethiopia.
This project has the potential to gather quantitative and qualitative sex aggregated data, and this in fact will help us as UNCDF and regulators and policymakers to better understand the challenges and opportunities of agent networks in Ethiopia. As Policy Accelerator housed at UNCDF, for us it's great importance to leverage this data to better tailor technical assistance for regulators and policymakers in Ethiopia, which will help us support sustainable policy change.
I'm excited about the CICO program because it will support our program, the Migrant Money program, to be able to provide that last mile access to the migrant families who depend on remittances as their source of livelihood. In addition to this, the work will be beneficial because it can form a touch point for customers to interact with agents for financial literacy purposes, and also for cross-selling of other products beyond remittances.
As part of delivering this project, financial institutions or their potential partners in distributing or managing agent networks will be provided at bootcamp training to give them a high-level information, the full cycle of agent management, out of which the selected few will be provided strategy design engagement session where they will be able to either adapt or craft new agent management strategies to actually expand their agent networks in urban or mainly with a focus around the rural parts of the country. Not just only that, they'll be provided with a hands-on advisory service to implement the strategy that they designed in partnership with the service provider. Now it is reported that we have over 100,000 agent networks in the country. This number is expected to grow as part of the project end results.